CBD is emerging as one of the most natural methods for reducing symptoms. It has all the therapeutic benefits of cannabis, but without the mind-altering high commonly associated with marijuana. CBD works by signaling a system in the brain known as the endocannabinoid system, which plays a role in regulating pleasure, memory, thinking, concentration, body movement, awareness, appetite, pain and sensory processing, and brain development. Cannabinoid receptors are located all throughout the body. When CBD and THC bind to these receptors, you may get relief. There are 3 types of CBD. Full spectrum, which contains all the cannabinoids, such as THC, CBD, CBG, CBN, and terpenes. Broad spectrum, which includes all the cannabinoids except THC, and isolate, which is CBD alone. CBD can also be used as a tool to enhance your THC experience. CBD is non-addictive and does not have as many side effects like traditional methods. If you want a natural and holistic approach for wellness, give CBD a try.